up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make this coffee that is going viral all over the internet. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it. I do upload videos weekly, so make sure you turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Like I said, this coffee is going viral all over the internet. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on Facebook, I've seen it on Instagram. It is called the Dalgona coffee. It's very easy to make and so delicious. I'm going to show you guys how to make it right now. For this recipe, you are going to need instant coffee. I just picked this up from Walmart. It is the Folgers Classic Roast. I also picked it up in decaf. Now, why this recipe is so easy is because it's equal parts of everything. So I am just using a tablespoon here. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of boiling hot water. So I'm going to set the timer so you guys can see about how long it takes me to mix this coffee mixture. And if you do not have a handheld mixer and you plan on using a fork or a whisk, it is going to take you a while, maybe 20 minutes to mix this, because you need it to get to this thick consistency. So right here I'm using the 2-speed hand blender, and it was a total flop for me. The first speed was way too high and coffee was splashing all over the place. I tried to whisk with it and then realized it was just going to take way too long. So I grabbed my Hamilton Beach 6-speed hand mixer, and this is what I usually use when I'm making cupcakes or cake, and I just left it in the first speed. As the mixture got thick, I went to the 2nd speed, and I just kind of went between the 1st and 2nd speed. So we are now about 3 minutes and 30 seconds into mixing. I wanted to check the thickness of our mixture, and it is getting thick, but it's not as thick and fluffy as I would like it to be. So I just continued mixing. This is the perfect thickness, fluffiness, and frothiness I was looking for, and it only took me 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Now I'm going to take off the extra mixture off of my blender, and we are ready to put this together. Now you're going to grab your cup of ice. You can do this with or without ice. Add your milk, whatever milk you are drinking right now, almond milk, 2% milk, or regular milk. And then you're going to use 2 spoons to kind of work your thick, fluffy, frothiness coffee mixture into your cup. This is also good hot, so you could do this hot or cold. Today I wanted it cold, and this is just perfect for the coffee lover in you. It is very strong. I tried tasting the mixture on its own and it was very, very bitter. I wouldn't recommend that. We're going to top it off with our little Easter paper straw. With the decaf instant, I got that for the kids and they loved it. It was so good. You just have to really, really mix it really well before you drink it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.